Hello there, I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to go over some basic questions that I normally get about dynamic videos and also explain how this feature works great with another feature that is called combined videos. So, the main purpose of this video is to answer one main question, which is how are minutes considered or how are minutes being taken away from my stock of minutes every time that I create a dynamic videos campaign, okay? So let me start by going into our pricing page here, and you'll notice that dynamic videos it's only available through the rapid plan and also the team plan. Okay, so the rapid plan offers you or gives you actually 200 minutes per month, and the team plan gives you 1,000 minutes per month. So as you may know, this feature is still in beta stage. So we're hoping to have this feature available in the next following months or actually weeks for everyone. Okay. So that being said, and there's actually something else that I want to show you. If you haven't checked this already, no worries. I'll just provide the link below. But this is actually very something very important. So we do have a blog here that says that is called or titled "The Ultimate Guide to Video Selling." Okay, so well, among a lot of things that are being explained here, one of the things that I like is this one here that it says what to say in a prospecting video. So, writing a video script can be the toughest part of your video email, and you need to create a compelling message. So, that's the main purpose, of course, the main thing, of course, of your video to create a compelling message. But this is the most important part in just 20 to 40 seconds. Okay, so you don't actually need a very long video, you actually need a compelling message within this time frame, we can call it, and which is what they actually say here is 20 to 40 video seconds. So here's a great video you can watch where they actually go over many tips, and one of those tips is actually this one. And the reason why I'm explaining this is because you might say, or you might think that 200 minutes is not enough. And it's actually more than enough. And I will show you why. Okay. So that's another video. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you the first video that I have here, which is an intro. And this is what I want to explain. Whenever you're creating a dynamic videos campaign, so the important part is for you to create a very compelling message in a very short span of time, and then you can actually combine it with another longer video so you can put more information into it. So you can have an introductory video, and then you can combine it with another video where you can probably go over your products and services or explain why you're so good at what you do and why that company or that person should get your services, right? So the minutes, and this is again one of the main factors or keys to understanding the combined videos along with dynamic videos is the fact that the only minutes or seconds that are going to be taken out of your 200 minutes or 1,000 minutes stock each month are only coming out or are only being considered in terms of the length of the introductory video. Okay, so of course if you do a 1 minute video long, you'll of course be able to only make 200 videos that month. Okay, you'll have the chance, of course, to purchase more minutes, but if we're just considering the stock that you're given each month, yeah, this will be the best way to explain things. So as you can see, I have a very this is a test, of course, but this is just a video where it only takes me 8 seconds to create it. You don't have to do it this way, of course. This is just an example, but at least you can understand my point here. So let me show it to you very quickly. I can go here. Hi, Watermelon. I'm Dan from Tech Support, and I'm very happy to assist you today. Have a great day. Bye bye. So of course that was just a test, but what I wanted you to see is how easy it was for me to introduce myself. Okay, so you can of course just add a few more words and make it a little bit more compelling. Other than that, other than just saying who you are, of course. But the important thing here is that you can make it very short and very compelling, and that will be your introductory video. And as you can notice, I said hi watermelon. So why do I say that? Because watermelon will be the keyword that the software will be using in order to trigger or activate the voice cloning. So the system can, of course, then replace that watermelon word or keyword with all the list of names and well, yeah, the names of each person that you're going to put in inside of the dynamic videos. Okay, So let me go ahead and start by combining these two videos. This is the other video, of course, where I go over some features that a customer wanted me to explain. So, hey Adam, Dan here from tech support. So I decided to record this video simply to say hello and, of course, to show you how it works. And well, then I just go over some of the features that the customer wanted me to explain here. But I want to show you how we can combine the videos, and we can, of course, go ahead and start creating the Dynamics videos campaign. Okay. So what you need to do is click here on intro example. And once you, I'm sorry, on the video you want, in this case, mine is called intro example, right? So when you click there, you'll get this edit page where you can actually put a lot of information, which won't be necessary when we are creating a dynamic videos, and I'll explain that later. But we basically need to go here to the plus sign where it says add video, and we can just browse the one that we want to add. Okay. And we can go here. It was called product example. Yep. So yeah, this is the one we want. So we're now combining the videos, and of course now you can see that this video is 8 seconds long, and the other one is 47. Of course, you'll get just a video that is 55 seconds long in this case. So this is what we are going to get right here. Okay. So even though right now we do have a single video, when we go over to the dynamic videos campaign, you will only have a single video, but will only have the dynamic background only placed on the 8 seconds video. Okay, so let me make that possible here so we can watch it together, and we can just put test, start creating. Okay, and right now we need to go, and let me show you one more thing here. So as you can see, nothing changed. Nothing changed on my library. So what I'll do is just refresh so we can see the new changes. And in the meantime, I'll go ahead and browse the one that we need. I'll just leave the system here to load the videos that we have. Okay. So the one that we wanted was test for AI voice, tutorial for band. Yep. Let me just look it up here. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, let me just double check. Yes, test for AI voice. So that's the one that we want. Here we go. Okay, so as you can see now, we have a little label there that it says combine video. So you'll notice that that's the one that we want. Okay, that's the one that we need. So I can actually close that one. Okay, you can see that whenever you put here a video, this will start saving. Just be sure that it's saved before you continue. And the same thing we can do here. We can just toggle the voice cloning on. And that was actually very fast. So well, we're good to continue. So remember what I said before, that we had the options on the edit page to put a lot of information that will appear on the landing page of the video. But of course, that won't make any difference if we do it on that place. We'll just need to do it on the campaign, on the Dynamic Videos campaign. So let me just put some random information so we can make a better example. Oops, sorry about that. Let me just start over there. Okay, there we go. A first name. There we go. So of course, everything will just show up here on the landing page of the video. Let me add a call to action, schedule a meeting. And you can put, of course, your Meter link, your HubSpot link, your Zoom link. So you can put whatever you want. Again, for the sake of the example, I'll just put here senspark.com. Okay. Okay, now I'll need to go ahead and click on import the CSV file. So if you haven't created this before, if you do not have a CSV file yet, so what I'll suggest is to use the one that we have here through download, and just input the information that you have on any other CRM. You can just paste it, just grab the information that you need, that we need here, that we require here on this CSV file, and just put that information here, okay? So I have a few contacts here, and you'll notice that each contact has a background URL, which is basically the website that I have linked to each of these persons here, okay? So I'll go ahead and click on generate videos, and I'll pause the video in the meantime so we can wait until the next page is loaded. Okay, so we're back now. That took about 30 seconds. So as we can see, we're now standing on the next step, which is basically the place where videos are being generated. So we have this URL a circle going on, so we can click there so we can see how everything again it's being processed. And I'll pause the video one more time until everything is done, so I can continue showing how well, just the outcome. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back here, and I wanted to show you how it looks like. So when videos are actually finished processing, they will start, of course, disappearing from this section. You can go and click here again and click on refresh. So you'll notice the ones that are that have already been processed. And of course, if you click again, you'll notice how the process is still going for the next videos, for the remaining videos. So let's go back to the completed ones. And as you can see, if I go ahead and click on any of these right here on the title, or on the, sorry, on the email or the name, it's the same. You'll get my video and the background video. Okay, so I'll show you pretty much everything is here, so you can notice how the dynamic background only is in place on the first seconds of the video, which is my introductory video. Okay, and the rest will actually have its own background. So that's again, that's because of how we suggest things to be presented, how we suggest videos to be presented. So you'll have the sales pitch line video, and then you'll have the other video where you can go ahead and explain your product. Of course, if you were to have a dynamic background on your product explanation, you won't be able to go over or to show what is it that you're offering, right? So this actually works great, and you'll of course have your own strategy when it comes to sales, but this is what we suggest, of course. Okay, so let me just hit play and show you how it sounds. Hi, Bethany. I'm Dan from tech support, and I'm very happy to assist you today. Have a great day. Bye bye. You can, of course, just short the video there. Hey, Adam, Dan here from tech support. So I decided to record this video. Okay, so the same thing here with Manny and with Yamini. Hi, Manny. I'm Dan from tech support, and I'm very happy to assist you today. Have a great day. Bye bye. Hey Adam, Dan here from tech support. So I decided to record this video. And it will just go over and over with each of the videos that you have here. But I wanted to show you how there's a little gap here telling you or showing you that, of course, this is the first section of the video, and then it comes the other video. Okay, so hopefully this makes a lot of sense. In my case, I only took 8 seconds, but if you were to use, let's say, 20 seconds for the dynamic introductory video, you'll be able to make 600 videos if you're going for the rapid plan, and much more, of course, if you're going for the team plan. Okay, so yep. So I encourage you to go over the ultimate selling guide. I won't be telling you any sales strategies in my end on my end here and on this video, because of course I'm from tech support, and we do have great people here telling you or showing you what are the best tips out there to go ahead and have a successful campaign. If you haven't seen this already, we do have bi-weekly webinars on LinkedIn where you can just watch them. This is Selena, this is Chris Vogue, and also our CEO Bethany goes out there and shows and explains great selling techniques. So I will highly recommend you to just follow them on LinkedIn to see what they show. Okay, so again, you might have your own strategy, but this is what we suggest. And feel free to reach out if you do have any questions or any suggestions, and we'll be here for you. Okay, so again, thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.